Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Power BI to ServiceNow so you can transform your raw IT service data into professional interactive dashboards and gain deeper insights into your candid ticket trends and team performance in 2026. First, prepare your ServiceNow instance and credentials. The first step is ensuring your ServiceNow environment is ready for an external data handshake. In 2026, security protocols are tighter, so you need to verify that your user account has the REST service or ITIL roles required to pull data via the API. Log in to your ServiceNow instance. Navigate to User Administration, Users, and verify your permissions. Ensure you have your instance URL, usually https://yourinstance.servicenow.com, copied and ready on your PC. If you are using a developer instance for a tutorial or practice, make sure the instance is awake and not in hibernation. Power BI needs a secure bridge to talk to ServiceNow. Without the correct API roles, the connection will be rejected, resulting in an amateur-quality access denied error before you even begin your analysis. Next, open Power BI Desktop and select the Web or OData connector. While there are specialized third-party connectors, the most professional and studio-level method in 2026 remains the native Web or OData feed connector for maximum flexibility. Launch Power BI Desktop. On the Home ribbon, click the Get Data icon and select Web from the Common Data Sources list. A dialog box will appear. Select the Advanced Radio button to give yourself more control over the URL parts and HTTP request headers. Next, construct the ServiceNow API URL. This is the most technical part of the setup. You need to build a specific URL that tells ServiceNow which candid data to send over to Power BI. In the URL parts box, enter your instance address followed by the API path. It typically looks like this: https://yourinstance.servicenow.com/api/now/table/incident. By refining your URL at this stage, you prevent Power BI from downloading unnecessary studio data, which keeps your report refresh times fast and your technical visuals snappy. And that's pretty much it. To connect Power BI to ServiceNow in 2026, start by gathering your instance URL and ensuring your user has API permissions. Use the web connector in Power BI, enter the REST API URL for your desired table, and provide your basic auth credentials. Finally, use the Power Query Editor to expand the result list into a table, select your fields, and click Apply to start building your professional IT reports. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.